So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel with the new video, new openings and new hopes. Guys, today I'm going to share around 7 to 8 openings for freshers or experienced candidate for all IT related openings. Okay, for full stack and software developer as well as software tester. So let's get started with the company name, their eligibility criteria and application procedure. So before proceeding, I would like to request you, if you are new on the channel, please do subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, the first company name indexing, they are looking for the below positions. Actually they are hiring for multiple positions, so these are the below positions names. They are expecting a full stack developer experience, 3 to 5 years of experience, skills React JS, Angular and Node JS and Python developer, right? Second opening, they are also hiring for backend developer, skills Python, same experience, 3 to 5 years. Third, front end developer, skills React JS, 1 to 5 years of experience. QA automation, 3 to 5 years of experience, Python plus Selenium. Okay, if you have the Java with Selenium, then you can also apply over here. And job location, they are expecting for this position, it's Pune. Okay, and education criteria, BTech C, means it means to say that related to the something IT related. So they are expecting the mini immediate joiner. Okay, important notice guys, for first interview it will be the virtual round, and if you are clear the first round of interview, so you will be the you should be available in face to face or the second level. So those are interested for this position, they can share their profiles on this mentioned email ID. Okay, you just take care of particular email ID and send your resume with the subject line of the particular position. Okay, so the next company name is Accenture. They are hiring for the sales representative profile, experience 0 to 6 years. Freshers also eligible. Job location is Gurgaon. Shift is US shift. Okay, both cab will be provided from the both side. Wise process. Okay. If you are interested and fulfill this eligibility criteria for the sales representative, so you can share your profile on this mentioned email ID. So shivamai.pandit@accenture.com. Okay, and let's move on the next company. The next company name is Spreadsheet Technologies. They are hiring for QA automation engineer, Selenium with Java, and it's a remote work. You can do the work from home position. This is a work from home position. Definitely everyone should apply for this position. Okay, experience expecting for this position is around 4 years, and they are looking for the QA automation engineer, right? So they are expecting Java with Selenium basically. So if you are passionate about this software testing in the Java in the automation testing, and if you are fulfill this criteria and fit in this profile, you can share your profile on this email ID. Okay, so t.spreadsheet.com. Okay, so let's next company, EPM system. Actually guys, one of my student got selected from the in this company. Okay, uh, he have shared their interview questions. They have asked for the for first one second round. So these are the interview questions, right? You definitely it will be helpful for you. I will paste this all the interview questions in the description, so do check the description for this interview questions. Okay, so it is related to the testing, so you should check the description. Okay, you will get the all the questions. I'm just pasting these questions in the description box. Okay, before proceeding guys, I would like to share you the ATS resume building service. Right, we have started ATS resume building service. Those are interested for resume building services from me, I will sharing my WhatsApp number over here, so they can reach me on this WhatsApp number to build their ATS friendly resume from my side. Okay, make a note of it. It's guys, it's a paid 9028919849 is the correct number. Okay, you can WhatsApp me. Those are interested to build their resumes from me, and most of you guys are already aware about this. We already started from the last 1 year. Many candidates get shortlisted, and all the details I have shared on my WhatsApp group and Telegram group, and as well as Instagram. So you can check it out first and then come to me. Okay, so the next company name is Solver Technologies. They are hiring for the position of QA manual tester. Experience, they are expecting 0 to 6 months. Freshers also can apply over here, no issue. Those are interested and fulfill this eligibility criteria, you can share their profiles on this mail ID. Okay, this is the correct email ID, you can share your profile. And make sure guys, you should, this is the junior level position. Freshers, those are freshers, those have completed the internship. Okay, those have completed at least open sources project as well, they can apply for this position. This is an free and open source project, open source job opportunity, so you can definitely apply for this position. This is the junior level and entry level position guys. Definitely this is the good chance to get the entry in the IT, right? So another company name is Test Force Technologies. They are hiring for the quality assurance. Experience 2 years, 4 years, and freshers as well. So those are interested for this position definitely can share their profile uh, on this email address, right? info@testforce.co, right? And for all the positions, right, those are you are applying now, so you have to just mention that particular position in the subject line while you sending the resume to the recruiter. Okay, and important note guys, I am not a hiring person, I'm just sharing this information to the job seeker. If anyone asks money for the interview or uh, something extra money or your first payment, second payment, whatever, so don't pay a single rupees to anyone, right? It might be a fake, and don't go with that fake candidates, right? So just share, I have shared around 7 to 8 companies opening, just go and apply. And really, if you are facing some issue with your mock interviews or confidence building, so you can definitely reach me out on this WhatsApp number. Okay, we'll arrange your mock interviews as well. And if you are facing some issue to building your resumes, you are not getting a call, so you can also reach me on this WhatsApp number to get your resume updated. Okay, thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.